Guys, in this video I will be showing you how you can run TikTok ads and get people to join your WhatsApp group. You know that in online space it has to do with a community. You don't work online alone. If you want to really earn big or make money online, you need to have a team of your own, a team of many people under you. You don't make it alone online. This is a community. You need to build your community to a standard to get people to know you so that you will be visible. Everything that you do will be glowing. So without wasting much of our time, in this video I will be showing you a step-by-step guide on how you can run TikTok ads and get people to join either your WhatsApp group, your Telegram group, or whatever group you want these people to join, where you can later introduce your business or the platform that you want, or any kind of thing that you want to do with them. You can now introduce your business to them and to get them involved. So this is how it goes. First of all, for you to run TikTok ads, you need to have your ATM card, either physical or virtual card, available. But in this case I have already linked my card. So all you need to do now is to have a very attractive video, a very attractive promotional video or content about the particular business or platform that you want to advertise. So after you might have done that, all you need to do is to upload the video on your TikTok account. So this is, for example, now here is my TikTok account. I can just come and upload my video. Note, you can also do something like this. You can do something like this, or you may decide to add your number so that people that cannot join through the link can actually contact you with your number, like something like this. Let me show you this. If I open this, so guys, you see how I did it. I had my number here, and I also tell them to click the sign up button because I know that this video will surely be used for ads. So let's go back again. You see all those videos here. All these videos here are videos that I use for promotions. So let's assume, for example, now let me do a very good example with one of these video. Let's assume this is the video that I want to promote. There are many ways you can run. There are two different ways you can run advert on TikTok. Number one is to click on the video like this. Let's assume this is the video that I want to promote. I can decide to click on the video. After clicking on the video, I will now click on this three dot icon. Let's click on it. Then after clicking on there, I will now click on increase views. You tap on the increase views, you wait for it to load. So after that, these are the three basic things. The goals are the three basic things that you really need to understand. First, let's start with a boost account. If you click on the boost account, to boost account, this is what you are going to see. You are going to see more views, you're going to see more followers, and you're also going to see more profiles. So if you are using this one, it means that you need views. You just need video views for people to view your videos. That's what you need. That's your target. And if you also go for this one, it means that your primary target is to get people to follow you. And if you go for this one, it definitely means that you want more people to view your TikTok profiles. So that is that for boost account. We are done with that. Then let me explain get sales. This is what we are going to use, get sales, because you want to sell your market. You want to advertise what you have. It's your business that you want to advertise to people. So let's head over to click on get sales. If you click on get sales, you will see website visitors. For example, now you are a website owner and you want to get traffic, you want to get people to visit your site. Let's assume you are a blogger, you want to get people to visit your blog site. You can just click here. But for this case, let me do exactly what will be useful to us as an affiliate marketer or as a networker. So now you want to get people to join your WhatsApp group, all you need to do, you open a WhatsApp group. For example, now let me use one of my this thing. Let's go back to WhatsApp. Okay, let's say this is WhatsApp, and here is my WhatsApp group. All I need to do is to click on this link. Click on to open the group, then tap on the name, go to the three dot icon. Okay, sorry, once you are here, all you need to do is to scroll down. You scroll down to where you see invite link. You click on the invite link. You now click on copy link. So you copy this link. This is the link to your group that you want to get people to join. So you now go to your TikTok. Remember, this is where we are. So in order for you to attach the link here, you click on edit. You will also have to add that particular link to your bio. You need to add the link to your bio. Then if you come here, you can click on edit. If you click on edit, then you click where you see this link, you click on it. After clicking on it, if you have link already, you might decide to click here, click like this. You just click it and hold, then you click on paste. So if that's not what you want to do, you can click on profile website link. This particular one is going to use the link that is already on your profile. So let's go back. If you have already put your link on your bio, you can just click on profile website link, which is this one. If you click here, it's going to automatically use the link that is on your TikTok profile. But if you want to paste a new link that is different from the one that is different from the one that is already in your profile, then you paste your link here. So after you might have done that, you click on save. Now this is another thing that you need to do. Apply now. It depends on what you want to do. This is apply now. Let's assume you have a website, or let's say you are running a scholarship or something like that. This one is very, very good for like something that somebody will just click to register direct. So you can use apply now. Even they sign up now or to learn more, contact us, all these ones. So normally you can use this particular tool here. You can use sign up or learn more. It's very, very good for this kind of advert that we want to run. So for now, okay, let's see. Let me choose sign up. I click on sign up, then I still click on save. You hit the save button. So after you save it, you come down. Here is where to set your budget. Your budget is how much do you want to use for this advert that you want to run. So here is where to set your budget, while here is the expected result from your budget. For example, now if I decide to use the amount here, if I decide to use 15,300 per day in one single day to run this particular advert here, it means that I am going to have up to 700, minimum of 795 clicks to 3,653. That's the numbers of clicks that I'm going to have. It means that highest clicks that I'm going to have, it will be between 795 to 3,653. So note, you can adjust it. You can use this place to adjust it, just like this. You can either increase it or you decrease it. Also, if you want to edit it to put the amount that you want to spend daily by yourself, you can decide to click on this pen icon here. If you tap on the pen icon, this is going to show. You just erase it. Let's assume now I want to run this advert with 2,000 naira. I will just have to click on type 2,000. After clicking on 2,000, I click on confirm. Then I click on confirm. Then you see that I have changed my budget. This ad is for one day, and I said I want to spend 2,000 naira for this ad. And if you check here, the expected result has decreased because I have now put in the less amount. Know that the higher the amount, the higher the result that you will get from your advert. After you might have customized everything the way you want, and it's now time to launch the campaign. So what you all need to know here is that if you set up an amount here, like now I set up 2000 naira, but and you see here, see price details 0, it simply means that I already have money on my TikTok account. It means that I have money on my TikTok account, and that is why you are seeing this start, which is, if I should click on this start now, it's going to send my ad for review, and TikTok is going to review it. It will take less than 10 minutes, let's say between 5 to 10 minutes for TikTok to review my ads, and they will either approve it or they reject it. It depends, because they have their content guideline for promotion, and if you go against it, if your video doesn't meet up with their criteria, they are definitely going to decline your advert, and you have to either you change the video or reset it again. So now, for example, let me increase this more than what I have on my account. If I come here to increase it, you see I have increased it to 84,000. Oh, this one is just for educational purpose. Then you see that I need additional 5,228 coins. So I only increase this in so that this particular place of recharge will appear. So all you need to do now is you click on, you see that it requires 5,228 coins. You are not running this kind of ads, so it's just for educational purpose. Then you can click on recharge. If you click on recharge, this is where to add coins to your balance, because TikTok accept coins. You click on recharge, you now see the coins, the coins price here. You see that 350 coins worth 8,500, 1,400 coins worth 33,700, and 16,700 coins worth 16,900. So let's say, for example, you want to recharge any of these. So this is how it goes. You just click on any one that you wish to recharge, any amount that you wish to recharge. Then you click on recharge. After clicking on recharge, yes, so it's going to show you this particular place. So what you are seeing here is my card. I have already linked this particular card. This is the card that I've been using to make my payment. That's why it is showing this particular place. So for you that haven't had your card before, if you come to this particular place, it will show you to add card. For example, now if I want to add my card, I can click here. Then this is where to add card. Then if it takes you to somewhere like this, all you need to do is to click on add credit or debit card. You click on